Hi, Thomas, and I'd like to give you a quick update on the 1 cent challenge. A lot of things has happened in the meantime. We were quite busy. Uh, we were in Sri Lanka, and during that time, the 1 cent challenge changed from 1 cent to 800,000. It morphed through a power goal process, a power morphing process that I'm following. It morphed into a new, better version of it, which is 777,777 rands per month that I want to achieve before the first year by building a property portfolio. Now, you must understand what a property portfolio is and what property is in South Africa. There are 7 different classes of property. I plan to use all 7 of them in order to get to that goal of 777,000 plus. Now, when I came back to South Africa, we saw the auditors, and the auditing process and the costs that were involved in doing the auditing on the different businesses that we've got. I thought there has to be a better way, and I started looking at the blockchain. Now, I know about the blockchain since 2017, but I've never actually applied it in my own life. And as I started getting more skills around it, I decided to build a little app based on Satoshi's vision, the original Bitcoin white paper. And I thought that it would be impossible, but to my surprise, my son Vincent and myself, we put in quite a few hours, but we've got a prototype. And if you're with me, you'll know that first thing is the ideation, then we convert that through a business within a day into a prototype, and then we start testing that prototype. I started testing it on my own businesses and on things that we do, and I saw enormous potential. Now, I'm not talking about Bitcoin, the BTC. I do not believe that is I think they've hijacked the original Bitcoin for purposes because the cabal is manipulating and using that to its own advantage to keep people poor. I'm talking about Bitcoin, as the white paper said, where you can build utility, where you can build businesses, and we can use it in day-to-day life. So I started doing that, and the surprise that I've got is incredible. So this is what I've done. I said that I'm going to with this profit that we've made already, I'm going to buy just one BSV. And I bought it at $20.56. That's what I've paid for one BSV. Now check here. That one BSV has got 100 million Satoshis in that BSV. 100 million Satoshis. Now this simply means that I can build enormous business and enormous wealth. So the coin has got no value because the market tells you it's useless. But what I'm seeing and what I'm experiencing is that according to the wealth creator strategy, the intelligent use of limited resources to go from where you are to where you want to be in the shortest possible time with the least amount of risk, I know with my limited knowledge that I've got at the moment that I can tell one BSV the value that I've paid for that as digital land, $20.56. I know that I can turn this into at least $1 million over the next year or 2 years. Right. This is the power of what we are talking about. And I'd like to show you, by being a wealth creator, how you can extract that value. In other words, that coin to me at the moment is worth a lot more than the $20 because of the value that's in that specific BSV. Right, I'd like to share this with you. Now, I'm going to make it very simple for you because I know there's a lot of skeptics and there's a lot of people that don't get it or that do not want BSV to be as powerful as it should be. And that is, I'd like to invite you to a webinar that I'm going to do on this coming Tuesday. In that webinar, I'm going to give you free access to exactly what I've built for free, where you can directly integrate and interact on the layer 1 Bitcoin blockchain the way that Satoshi has intended that many, many years ago. And then I'm going to show you how we can move money, cash to cash, electronic, the way that the white paper says. And then I'm going to show you how to run a program and turn this into a business. And the potential is unlimited. You know, the protocol is locked, but the potential is unlimited. The potential depends on you as a wealth creator. Now, a wealth creator, as I've said, is intelligent use of limited resources. This means my limited resource seems like $20. It seems like one BSV, but it's not the truth. Because my resourcefulness changed that dollar, that BSV, into as much money as I want. I've got the control over it. And then I can use that over and over and over, and I can create businesses like you won't believe. Now, if you're interested in that and you are willing to put in the time and the effort to learn a little bit about that, and maybe just to see how powerful that is, I'm going to reward you with 50,000 sats for each and every person that will be on that webinar on Tuesday. I'll show you how to open a wallet for yourself with no understanding of programming or anything, right? In seconds, literally in seconds, make it minutes. You'll have a wallet. And then I'm going to send you, once you've got the wallet, 50,000 sats to start the process. Now, here's the trick. That 50,000 sats that I'm going to send you will be more than enough to start doing exactly what I'm doing. And I hope that you understand the power of what I'm going to give you. But you have to be there. If you're not there, we call it tough luck, right? So make sure that I'll ask my team to put in the link here somewhere. I'm not going to entertain trolls. I'm not going to entertain people that wants to bugger this whole thing up. So if you're one of those people that wants to prove me wrong, you can't, because I've got a tool that can show you that I can do everything that Satoshi has said in the white paper. And if you're a BTC or any one of these other blockchains, you can't do what I'm doing. It's just like, as a wealth creator, I say that I can take 100 Rand, turn it into a 10 million portfolio, which we've done, which we can prove. Don't come and tell me that it can't be done, because I'll show you that we are doing it already. And we can take it up to 1 million transactions in a second. This is a power that we've got free access to, right? Almost free. It's not, you have to pay the miners. Okay, so if you're interested, I'll see you there.